Greetings everyone, Nicholas here, back with another review, this time of the Lenovo Cardio Plus Fitness Band. So today I'm reviewing one of the cheapest available fitness bands on the market, link in the description, as most of the times that I'm not bored actually. Starting off, let me inform you that this is not by any means a smartwatch. Yeah, it can notify you of calls, messages and any notification for that matter, but it will do no more than that, and sometimes it may not even do that, so keep that in mind.
Here we go.
In terms of the fitness tracking, I was greeted by the three essentials: a pedometer, a heart rate monitor and an activity tracker, which by the way sometimes is enabled by itself, which is annoying but not intolerable. Being unable to scientifically determine whether the aforementioned trackers are accurate, I'll say that from my experience they seem to be as accurate as the average found in any fitness tracker. Now, yeah, okay, that's a fitness tracker, but whatever is sitting on your wrist has to be a watch as well. And this particular one is pretty darn good, as it is visible in any other situation than direct sunlight. And it provides 3 watch faces to choose from, with one of them informing you about the weather with a cute little face. Here, it is worth mentioning that despite the screen being an LCD one, as I can tell it uses only the grayscale to operate, which apparently helps with the awesome battery life. Furthermore, a wrist raise to wake up functionality similar to the Apple Watch is here, which provides you solely with the time and is mediocre at best. Happy it's there though. And now ladies, if any, and gentlemen, battery life. With 3 watts, it is great. Despite using the band with Bluetooth disabled, well, not technically disabled because it is always looking for devices, I could confidently say that it would last the same with Bluetooth usage, which for me is about a week. As for charging, I'll give kudos to Lenovo for not messing with cables and letting you just plug the device into a USB port. Now, no device comes without flaws, and those 2 ones would be deal breakers if they were not magically fixed. Well, not magically, cause the Lenovo Healthy app, which was terrible and trickled down the battery life of my phone, got some updates and now it is better, yet not great. And the waterproofing, which is claimed to be IP68 certified, and I thought was not there for me when I took the band swimming, turned out to be just the band bagging out and not responding to touch, which was fixed after a restart. The app that was mentioned before is okay if you connect to it every day, but there isn't a log for sleep monitoring amongst multiple days, and generally it just gives you temporary data which is nowhere to be seen afterwards. A neat feature, however, of the band, which is enabled through the app, is the alarm clock, which wakes you up without disturbing everyone around you by vibrating. Cool. Bottom line, I replaced my $6 smartwatch with this thing, and it's not because it does a lot more, maybe less even, but it has great battery life and you can indeed use it as an entry-level fitness tracker. So that was it from me, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, like, do all this kind of neat stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.